Hello and welcome back, magical crafters. I have another mini pinata crafting video for you, and I thought I'll take you a little behind the scene on how I put these things together. Why am I making another one? Because a nice client of mine, customer, has requested this little peeping mini pinata, and so here I am making one up, and you get to see a little bit of the behind the scenes, all right? And we're gonna get crafting this mini Peep Banana. Pinata. Pinata. Pin. I know it has a T. For some reason, I don't want to say a T. I want to say a D. Pinata. Pinata. A Peep Bunny Mini Pinata. Let's get crafting. This is the basic idea of how these pinatas come together. Just plugging shapes together. Kind of reminds me of school in a way. Everything starts out as a basic shape, but it's up to you to mold it into something else. And adding final details, pieces to the bunny is a must in my opinion. Gives it the extra charm. And after uploading to Cricut Design Space, you'll change the numbers from cut to pin option by selecting from the operation menu at the top, and then attach the numbers to the bunny. Then we must attach our score lines, number, and panels together by selecting them together and clicking on the attach button, which also looks like a paperclip. Once everything is changed and attached, we can resize our project by clicking on the select all in the top menu and dragging it to size. But if you're adding details, I suggest to size it all together. Just like so. And don't worry, if you're worried about which one goes first, Cricut will tell you the order to do it in. For now, the score pin goes first. And then we're going to press those buttons and let the Cricut do its magic. And then it will tell us to add in the pin, so it can go back and mark all your numbers. And it's very simple, guys. You're just following instructions. Pressing it again. Do not unload your mat yet. It's not ready for that. And I did ask my sister, and she said these are very helpful to put these pinatas together when she had the numbers. So with that in mind, I may continue on doing this for all future mini pinatas. And look at that beautiful work. And once it's done, you're going to unload it. And remember, we got to bend our mat and then take our stuff off. That way it doesn't curl up on us. Look at that beautiful magic. Glorious. Kind of looks a little weird like this. But if you need help putting it all together, refer back to the file. And I'm interrupting this quick video to inform you I will no longer be participating in this video. I have my lovely sister helping me, and she's going to put this together for you, which also tells you that this is going to be a very easy mini pinata, because one, you have these numbers to follow, and two, if my sister who has never done this before can figure it out, guys, so can you. So here's a few clips of my sister putting this together, and yes, she kept it. It's hers now. So here you go. Once you arrange the panels in order and fold along the creases, it's time to glue. Kind of like a painting by numbers, but instead we're gluing by numbers. And my sister really liked the number idea. She thought it was very helpful, and she said she probably wouldn't have been able to do this if she didn't have the numbers, because they really helped her out. So by that means, it's going to help you out too. And look at that bird. I couldn't help but get that bird in the shot. Oh, it's drinking the water. It's so thirsty. Cutie patootie. And I missed the dove shot, but it's okay. I got that bird. Anyway, this is halfway through, going on progress. She did mess up a little bit in the beginning, but once she got it down, she got it down. She just halfway through, looking good. I remembered, don't glue that door there. I forgot to tell her that, so I had to undo that part. And then I did end up helping her with this part because she was trying to make it perfect, but this part is by far the easiest part. Start from the bottom, go up. Doesn't have to be perfect. Once you add your crepe paper, glue it, cut your creases, and then you add your string, it is ready for the reveal. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the reveal. It's a very cute mini Peep Bunny Mini Pinata. I don't know why that's so hard for me to say, but it is today. I don't know. But that's it. Happy Easter. Hope you have a good one. These will be making beautiful gifts, easy gifts, cute gifts. Whatever you want to put in there, it'll be in there. And you can make it bigger than what I did. Of course, that's all in the front. But yes, happy Easter. Have a good night. You lovely souls. You're beautiful, amazing. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you. Did you know plastic eggs make the perfect bush decorations for outside? Very cheap, and all you gotta do is open the egg up, put the little bush twig in the crease of the egg opening, close it up, and they stay on the bushes. As long as your little girl doesn't come and pick them off the bush, that is. But yeah, cute. And everybody's outside. This is a lovely day today. Everybody's playing, having fun. Just had to capture that moment. But have a good day. Have a good Easter weekend. I'll see y'all in the next one.